Big up everybody who check in. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Now this is like a situation where Vybz Kartel have to deal with. We're gonna talk about it. And also, after St. Thomas residents exposed the Prime Minister for neglect of the parish, the Prime Minister said him have big plans for the parish now. I'm going to hear what going with Vybz Kartel and they will contain the Reason Nation. Of course, we want enough to look. Of course, we want enough to listen. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
And Cartel, here, I don't know who you do the liquor something there. I don't know who you merge with. You need to link me, yeah? Take ego out of it. You need to link me. Remember America, I live. Remember, I study the whole copyright thing and the whole. You understand? You don't need to link me. Whether sooner or later, you don't have to go link me. So, just link me. Link me before it's too late. Anybody where you want them, I do the liquor, yeah? See the name there? You want to get the liquor? You don't link me. I don't have no ego with it, you know. I don't have no hype with it because I know what me I say. You don't link me. Alright? So make ego rule in here. You don't link me. I'm here on the place in the people. All you see them are going, I'm here on the place. You hear Nesbeth song, right? Straight Nation. Yes, the Boom Boomer cuss me, but in their England and Straight Nation, he must say, on him stage. You see where Cartel liquor name now, right? Wanna see it? I'm me at the done. I'm me around the place. I'm me around the fucking place. Okay? So, Cartel, you want the distillers of your liquor? Who you need to link me. People that can't say me, now tell him, you know. Remember me have people me can call and say, give him the phone, but me don't want it look like a friend me a beggar me a running. No. This is business. Cartel, if I the Indian man there when me see, I take a picture with you, know. Tell him, link me. See me make a book nothing there. Cause remember you never that use nothing either. And me talk and you end up use nothing. So yeah, do the right thing and I fix it as you go along, but one big empty space there. Bounty Killer, Bling Dog, Rain Marshall, the Alliance era there. I remember Movado, I forward at Jamaica, you'd have the separate from Alliance, you'd have Vado Cartel segment. So your show is a whole series then. It's like a movie series with different episodes. You understand?
Now, some people are saying sound like Foota. Either feel away, say him not gonna be a part of the Freedom Street concert, or him feel away, say the people him gonna be a part of it, are gonna be a part of it. Because why Foota point out say Vybz Kartel never that deal with nothing. What that have to do with nothing? Vybz Kartel they behind the bars. Know that Vybz Kartel they are road. As I see, Popcorn forward, you know what I mean? Him link up with Hindu, Sheba, Lisa, you know what I mean? I must just Rhino and Ja Vinci. And of course, Foota I already tell you how much years now him now to link with Vybz Kartel. As a matter of fact, the way Foota explained is almost like a Foota feel away. It's almost like Vybz Kartel have no problems, no issues, no vibes with Foota. Vybz Kartel have no vibes with Foota. Are those Foota like him still a pre what did go on when some people did call up Foota name to Vybz Kartel and him believes if Vybz Kartel did believe at the time. And Foota basically sound like him never forgive Vybz Kartel from them time. Know what I mean? Even though there are no issues with them. Matter of fact, Foota they have not really linked with Mavado like that. And Vybz Kartel and Mavado seem to be past that whole situation with them. Right now, Muda say Kartel and Bounty good. Some people even not say because, you know, Mavado situation make them not look for say Mavado at the show. Just because they know say Mavado avoid Jamaica. You know what I mean? For different reasons. This is not a video about that. But tell me you think about what Foota say. You know what I mean? Foota say your teacher need to link him. Isaac Buchanan the right there we're supposed to, you know? For him team supposed to cross all the T's and dotted all the I's and make sure say everything official. So no Foota really I say. But talk to me in the comment section. Now I couldn't hear the Prime Minister's plans for St. Thomas. This after St. Thomas people say them not see nor hear from the government. And how much years them that wait on the road till them finally give them a piece of stretch. Now I couldn't hear the Prime Minister say them have in plans or what them plan for St. Thomas and they will continue the reason nation. Of course, look and listen.
And we're not trying to create a secluded zone where the people of St. Thomas are excluded from it. We're not trying to create a business colony. That's not what this is about. This is about creating an atmosphere where every Jamaican and everybody from St. Thomas can come and do business, can live and raise their families, can earn an income. That is what we are building here. Without having to contend with overcrowded streets, congestion, the rainfall and you get splashed and you can't do business as though it is inconvenient in the town as it is right now. Morant Bay has a great deal of history that we have not tapped. We have to really tap into it. So the next industry that is going to come into this area is tourism. But we're not trying to create all-inclusives. I am certain that with the lovely beaches along the coastline of this parish, you're going to see some resorts come. Yes. But what we want for St. Thomas, from this side of the island, going all the way back to Port Antonio, is more community-based tourism. What you are seeing here is just the start. We are going to be building houses in these areas. Because Kingston can't carry and Portmore can't carry all the houses. In less than an hour you can reach Kingston from here. So the new developments, there are 150,000 housing solutions needed to fill the housing demand in Jamaica. And all of that can be built in Kingston. Some of it have to be built right here. So we're going to push housing development into St. Thomas, but for people to choose to come and live in St. Thomas, they want to know that they have good facilities here. And the people who live here want better housing too.
Now, tell me a thing about the Prime Minister say. In recent times, some people are saying it's almost as if the Prime Minister now is making a last minute attempt to win over the people of Jamaica. Some people are saying months ago when the people attack or cuss and complain, it's like the Prime Minister never here. It's like the Prime Minister just here. Wagwan. This is strange. This is very strange. Yeah, the Prime Minister say, yo, some MP now do what they're supposed to do. Some councillors. It's like him just here where constituents are say about people who are supposed to be taking care of the constituency. And like him just realize, say, if a general election is called with the people in these constituencies, these parishes, not in support of the government, how will the government be re-elected? It is impossible. If so much people decide, say, yo, them want better, and them feel like the opposition being their only option, keep in mind, it's not like them have to vote for the government. They have an option. I think the UIC would say them have multiple options, but for now, let's just say they have two options. It's either the ruling party or the opposition. And if the people them don't like what going on with the ruling party, they will vote for the opposition. Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me if you believe, say, if an election was called tomorrow, based on what you say I go on, who you think would have win? Tell me in the comment section if you feel like if an election was called tomorrow, who you believe would win. Talk to me in the comment section. Tell the reason again. My sentiments for you and yours. Well, first and foremost, when you subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course, when you put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel, check out the reasoning, and also join the discussion. The comment section open 24/7. It never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. We can continue the reasoning via the comment section. Now until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours are to live, love, and prosper. I want to stay tuned.